Deep in the jungles of Cambodia stands one of the greatest architectural achievements in human history. A temple so vast, so detailed, and so mysterious that it's still revealing its secrets today. This is Angkor Wat, the crown jewel of Southeast Asia and the largest religious monument on Earth. Originally built in the early 12th century by King Suryavarman II, Angkor Wat was intended as a Hindu temple dedicated to Vishnu. But over the centuries, it evolved. From Hinduism to Buddhism, from royal temple to forgotten ruin, it has witnessed the rise and fall of empires. The name Angkor Wat means City of Temples, and it's exactly that, an enormous complex covering more than 400 acres. Its central towers rise in the shape of a lotus blossom, symbolizing spiritual purity and enlightenment. When viewed from above, the entire layout of Angkor Wat reflects sacred Hindu cosmology. The central towers represent Mount Meru, the mythical center of the universe. The surrounding walls and moats mirror the oceans and mountain ranges believed to encircle it. Carved into the stone are over 3,000 heavenly dancers known as apsaras, and more than 600 meters of bas-relief art. These carvings depict epic stories from Hindu mythology, including scenes from the Ramayana and the Battle of Kurukshetra in the Mahabharata. Every inch of Angkor Wat was built with meaning, symmetry, and astonishing precision, without modern tools or machinery. Despite its grandeur, the temple was eventually abandoned when the Khmer Empire fell in the 15th century. For centuries, it was swallowed by jungle, visited only by local monks and curious explorers. It wasn't until French colonists rediscovered it in the 19th century that the world began to grasp the scale of what had been hidden in plain sight. Today, Angkor Wat is Cambodia's most cherished national symbol, even appearing on the country's flag. It draws over 2 million visitors each year, many arriving before dawn to witness the temple's famous sunrise. As the first light hits the sandstone towers, Angkor Wat seems to glow, casting shimmering reflections into the moat below. But even with crowds and cameras, the temple holds its ancient silence. It's a place where stones whisper history and where architecture becomes poetry. This is Angkor Wat, timeless, sacred, and still standing tall after more than 900 years. This is Trip and Sip, where travel meets truth.